Jai Hind. So today we are going to cover important topic about Palo Alto, and this is we are going to cover the zone. What is zone? So it is very important. As you all know, Palo Alto is zone-based firewall. Someone called it zone-based firewall. The concept is very good. So what we have to create and what we have to done. So previously in the previous video we have covered the interface types and interview questions as well. So today we are going to cover zones. So where you have to go? You have to go network, then zones. So how you have to the basic things you have to just go to add how many types of zone you can create one type, but here you have to define the interface type. So if you create if you create tap mode zone, then you have to put the name, you have to use the type. If you unable to select or you are not even select any of the interfaces over here, there will be no issue. See, one more important thing, once it is highlighted, then you can create a zone. Tap z okay. So I have created one zone that is for tap. See, there is a red button showing z n. Okay, so underscore is not working over here, so I can add. Otherwise if I am not able to add anything or I did not add any interface over there, in that also I can able to create a zone. See, it is my tab zone. Now I am creating one other zone. I need a L2 zone. I have to L2 L2. See, this is how can you create a zone, right? Now there is another method that you can create a zone. How? Once you have created one interface, it is we are none. So zone, yeah, it is all one is none. So I am clicking over here. I have set the interface type virtual OR or anything L3 L2. I am creating one L3. Security zone selected none. So here I have created. I can click over here. Now I am coming to the same page. L3 ZON user. See, the naming convention should be appropriate, right? I have created L3. Oh, that's he's create. No, not like that. You have to make the zone like LAN, WAN, external, internal, DMZ, which is proper, which is what I can say, the prominent for your environment and for the interface you are using for that zone, that will be more important. Okay, so here also you can click OK, then it will be your L3 zone has been created. Okay, if I'm clicking OK, then it will be now it is not in layer 4. I haven't configured anything, so I'm just doing one thing, clicking here. I'm creating one uh, 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 L2. I have see here there is no L2 zone, right? I'm just doing the OK. Now what I have to do, I'm going zone add L2 add. See, my A1/4. I have come set the type for this A1.4. It is an, and I have to put the name for my SWIT. See, it's switch zone. If I am creating OK, see, come to the interface 4. There is a zone and switch zone. Understand? Now, if someone is asking you, please delete one zone, how you can delete it? You can come switch zone and delete it. Yes, it's deleted. Click over here, L4, none. If I'm going to commit it, then you can get a see what happened. If I'm going to commit it, Until unless you are using this zone or interface, any of the policy will automatically show you what you have done. It can be, you can able to delete it, but if I'm using any of these interface in this policies, it's not going to give me the delete option. I'll show you, no issue. Yes, see, it isn't failed. High availability interface HA port 5 is not allowed to know. So there is another reason. But if I am give you an example, I'm adding one policy. Mm, put it one name for zone. What zone I have created? Recently tab zone. Okay, destination. When I just keep it okay. Then what I have to do? I'm going to network zone. Okay, I'm just tab zone deleted. See, because you are using this zone, so make sure before deleting it is not using any here. If you are using any here, it will show you that it is using somewhere. Before you delete, you have to remove from that. So that is important. Now if you want to go to interface tunnel, there should be, you can create one tunnel and similar. You can click add, you can select to barrier, you can zone, create one zone, that will be your tunnel zone. Okay, so from interface level you can create, or you can go to zone, you can create, you can add interface from here, or you can add interface from here, and you can add the zone as well. I hope this video will helpful. Okay, if you have any question, any queries, please put it over the chat. I will definitely try to answer. Okay, thank you so much. I hope it will be a small video and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.